Hello, my name is Diana Chowdhury. I am an IST major minoring in SRA. My brand's name is Techiana. It comes from Diana and technology. I created this brand to try to create 3 to 5 minute videos to explain technology topics the simplest way possible. This would be useful for college students to go over previous topics that maybe we discussed in freshman, sophomore year, and you just want a refresher on it, such as SQL or Python. I have like crash courses on that and other topics that maybe are from newer or familiar to you, and like maybe like an introduction, such as an introduction to cloud computing or an introduction to ERP systems, and it would just be an easy way to like soften your way into a new topic. Okay, so this is my YouTube page. I have a LinkedIn as well, my Twitter page, and my GitHub page. Okay. And where I like to look up my technology information and like news, I like to go to Bing, and it's Bing News. And I just go on the search bar and search up technology. And after you do that, you see a bunch of blog posts. Click the Bing News and you go to the technology. It comes with a bunch of blog posts, and I clicked one of them, and this is from TechCrunch. This is about the USB 4, which has better speed and compatibility, but it also loses space. The USB 4 came out in March, and it's better speed with 40 gigabytes per second, and it's twice the speed as a USB 3. It also has the Thunderbolt 3 compatibility, and it has improved display and data splitting. Another good thing that it doesn't have to get a new connector, because we used to have that big rectangular one, the trapezoidal one, so changing it would have been just too much. But there are some complications with this device. It's not going to be here for a while, and it is going to be more expensive, which is something to think about as a college student. If you'd like to learn more about would definitely be cloud computing. I'm on the Microsoft Azure page right now, just like an overview, and this is like the beginner's guide. This would be something I would like to display on my channel, but as a video form. I remember learning cloud computing in IST 302, but we went through it very briefly, and we went through just like the benefits and the types, but I want to go more in depth and learn more about like the infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, serverless computing. I want to be very knowledgeable in this because I feel like this is something that's going to be booming in the technology industry in general, just because having internal devices is actually harder, and having everything in the cloud is way more convenient, and something that I definitely want to know more about as a person in the IT professional industry, and just for myself, because I do use, Google Photos, and I try to use Google Drive, and cloud computing just seems so convenient for everybody with the amount of data everyone is using on a daily basis.